Hello everybody, I'm Pirom. In this video clip, I'm going to explain you how to use the loop statement. And for a loop statement, we have three structure like while, do while, and for loop. And in the first, I'm going to explain you how to use while loop. For the important, we use while loop. We want to program repeat the statement or series of statement over and over. And for the while loop also, we can use it by use the data type or sorry for keyword while and the condition in close dash the parenthesis like this. And for the scope and for the condition that we want to print out, we must write it in the curly bracket like this. And for this while loop also, it will be execute until the condition until true, and it will be run out if the condition is false like this. For the while penca less than equal 10, and for the pancha first we assign 1 in first, and will be run to print out the default technology media digital first, and then it in the 15 line for penchachas fluffa. It means that in this line will be increased by 1, and it back to the line 10 and check the condition. If the penchachas still the lower than or equal 10, it will be execute until the fail condition, and I will be show your result in this case. For the while will be so like this. It run until 10 times for default technology made digital, and for the Pandaja 11 it failed, so that it will run out. And now I'll explain how about use while you finish, and next I will be show you for how to use do while and important for do while. For the do while also, it's similar with the while loop, except that the code to be executed comes first, and the conditional check for the whether or not to continue happen at the end. And now we check on the whole code together. For the first, for this code, it will be similar with the while. For we just to declare the variable panchachas equal 1 and data type integer, and then for do here we just to print out the two these statements first, and then we check the condition if the panchachan is still the less than or equal, so will be execute this statement until the for condition here it will be run out. Now we will show you the result. This the result when we run this code. And now for my explanation about do while, it finished. And after I explain about the do while, I will be explain you how to use for while loop. And for this for while loop also, it's similar with the do while and while, but in this case, if we use the for loop, it will be easy because it have a condition in the one statement, and like that. In the first, we have the C for initialize first, and then we compare the condition like this. And now I explain to you this for code. For first, we just to print out the statement like this. Pengulangan menaik, and then we loop the C +1. It means for the first time C equals 0, and in this statement we will show the 1, and then it will be up to the line 15, and so 2. It will be do like this also. The C less than 10, it will be out of this condition, and then it print the new line, and after that it print this statement. And for the line 21, for this statement, it will be print the value of D. It means that for the D first, it will be so 10, and it will be the deduct 1 for the execute first, deduct 1, second deduct 1 until D equals 0. And now I will be show you the result. It will be so like this. And for my explanation about this for you for loop is finished, and next I show you how to use next loop. And the importance of we use the next loop for, because we want to show the other stuff. And in this work code, I will be show you like for the next loop. This in the first, we just initialize for j equal 1, and for j will be continue until j less than or equal 10, and then it will be increased by 1 by 1. And for the first time, for the j equal 1, it will be execute for this statement until the k less than or equal j. It will be print the new line for the line 18, and then it will be moved to up and increase by 1 mean that j equal 2, and will be and next it will be executed for this man again and again until all the out of condition it will be finished. Yes, and I will be show you the result. Yes, this is the result that we run the next for loop. And for my explanation about next loop is finished, and the end of this video clip. And thank you for you all that watching my video clip.